Hello friends. Today we will talk about an English phrase. Which one? That is used for indicating a preference. For example, situation, shopping for shoes. Person A, I can't decide between these two pairs of sneakers. Which one do you think looks better? Person B, let me take a closer look. I think the black ones would go well with most of your outfits. In this example, person A uses the phrase which one to seek an opinion or help in making a choice between two options. Person B then provides their opinion, indicating a preference for the black sneakers. The phrase is used to inquire about a specific option among several possibilities, often in situations where a decision needs to be made. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, subscribe to my channel for future updates.